In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a transfer so your books stay accurate and easy to reconcile. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin the process, hover over the Create or New button to reveal the full menu of transactions. This opens the quickest path to common tasks, and it's where you'll find the built-in transfer option. From that menu, click Transfer. QuickBooks will open a simple form designed specifically for moving money between your accounts. You'll see a date at the top. QuickBooks fills in today's date by default. If you're recording a transfer that happened on a different day, adjust the date so it matches your bank activity. Accurate dates make reconciling much smoother later on. Next, choose the account you're moving money out of in the transfer funds. From field. This is your source account, such as your checking account. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts with similar names. Matching the account name to the balance you expect to see can help prevent mistakes. Then select the destination in the transfer funds to field. This is where the money is going, like your savings account. Make sure the two accounts are not the same. QuickBooks won't let you transfer from and to the same place, and mixing them up can throw off your balances. Enter the transfer amount. Type the number only without currency symbols and double check the decimals. If your bank transfer has already happened, enter the exact amount that cleared. If you're recording it in anticipation of a transfer you've initiated, use the scheduled amount so your books reflect what you expect to see at the bank. Use the memo field to add context. Brief notes like move to savings for payroll buffer or reimburse operating account make it easy to remember why you made the transfer. These notes appear in your registers and are helpful during month-end reviews and audits. When everything looks right, click Save and New. That records the transfer and opens a fresh form in case you have another to enter. If you're finished, you can simply close the form. After saving, consider glancing at your chart of accounts register to confirm the transfer appears in both accounts. When your bank feed updates, you'll be able to match the bank's transfer to the one you just recorded, keeping your reconciliation clean. That's it. Your transfer is now properly documented in QuickBooks Online.